Hi, I'm Ryan Gomez, and I'm here in our underground top secret research and development center to show you how to use the TCGplayer Scanner app. You think this is real brick? Like, feels real. The TCGplayer app is a great way to see what your favorite trading card game cards are worth. Trading card game cards, trading card game cards, trading card game cards. The app is totally free, and it's available for both Android and iOS devices, so you can have it on your phone or put it on a tablet. The TCGplayer app uses your phone's camera to scan a picture of a card and tell you exactly what it's worth. You can keep a list going and scan your entire deck, binder page, or whole collection. But how does it work? Like this. Open up the app, wait for it to update and give it permission to access your camera, and then hold your phone about 6 to 8 inches above the card you want to scan. I love that sound! Couple things to keep in mind. You've got to be able to see the whole card within the window on your phone, so you might need to change the height or adjust the angle or check the lights around you to make sure there's no glare or bounce back that's thrown off the whole view. Now you can scan multiple cards at once as long as you can fit them all within the view of your phone. Woo! A plain background works best, so grab a white sheet of paper if you've got one, or a play mat or something simple like that. And check this out, it also works with foil cards, or premium cards, or holographic cards, whatever you want to call them, the shiny ones. Just go to your list entry options, change printing from normal to foil, and hit done. And sometimes it helps if you touch this lightning bolt that turns on your phone's flash, and that gives you a little bit more light to work with. Got it. All right, one more thing. This app can scan a ton of different games, but it can't do all of them, at least not yet. So make sure that you've got the most up-to-date version of the app and that you're trying to scan a game we can actually recognize. If you have trouble with any of that, send us a message to sales@tcgplayer.com or hit us up on Facebook or Twitter or pretty much anywhere. We use a lot of social media. This phone's not just for scanning things. We can talk to you too. Thanks for checking out the TCGplayer app. We hope you like it. Happy scanning. I'll see you next time. Why is it so dark in here?